And now for Business Beat. Let's go to Michelle Coates at Raydon Corporation. Raydon is the leader in virtual learning through their innovative simulation training products and solutions.
Hi, we're at the Raydon Corporation in Daytona Beach. Raydon Corporation is a world leader in virtual learning simulation technology. Raydon Corporation is the top provider of convoy trainers to the United States Armed Services and the largest domestic commercial source for novice driver trainers. The company's technology has applications in the military, education, and medical fields.
Virtual reality training systems are a solution seeking a problem. It's really a function of affordability and use. We currently use them for military combat training. We also produce driver trainers. Orange County schools use our driver trainers. And some of the new markets that we see coming on are medical applications.
The company, founded in 1988, strives to bring affordable simulation training solutions to a variety of audiences: corporate, government, education, medical, and military.
There's 4 different VA hospitals and 1 Army hospital that are now beginning to use primarily the driver simulation, although the Army hospital as well as using some of the combat simulation. So the simulation environment is a very safe way for a clinician to observe the behavior of the subject engaging in a complex set of tasks.
The driver trainer simulator includes residential, urban, and highway environments with specific content to address cognitive and visual deficits. Virtual drivers can be used to teach, assess, and reinforce positive driving habits for all types of drivers, novice and experienced, corporate fleet drivers, and assessment and awareness testing. Raydon has partnered to develop Street Ready, a national driver education curriculum, and has simulators in secondary schools.
What really the gaming industry has done for us is they've added features to equipment and made it commercially viable, therefore the cost is really, really low.
Raydon's training technology includes the latest innovations available today, including Combined Arms Virtual Training, a simulator that networks multiple players performing their roles within the geospecific environs of the training detail. For example, the Humvee simulator, where I was in the turret with the driver and officer in front and the optional 2 players in the back. Each participant sees the others within the Humvee and what they're doing, as well as the external environment that's very specific to Baghdad and other areas of warfare. The Bradley gunnery training focuses on communication and actually calls you out for not making the required voice prompts.
The soldiers that are in the United States preparing to go overseas have no opportunity to train, and we built up a whole family of simulators to allow them to train before they go into theater.
Raydon most recently provided virtual route clearance training services to the U.S. Army. Colonel Francisco Espelette was instrumental in developing the requirements for this essential trainer for American warfighters.
We believe it absolutely saves lives, and the first reason is our soldiers are allowed or have the ability to train in that same environment they're going to face, whether it's snipers in the buildings, whether it's improvised explosive devices. They're allowed to understand how to react when they're actually faced with that particular situation in the area of operation, whether it's Afghanistan or Iraq.
Raydon's virtual route clearance training services, which was developed in a response to an urgent needs request from the Army through PEO STRI last year, has been on a fast track for delivery to pre-mobilization training locations. Raydon has moved very quickly to field the first 8 of these vehicle trainers and incorporate future upgrades as quickly as possible so that deploying warfighters will have the appropriate training on route clearance operations prior to entering combat zones. The complete virtual route clearance training system provides instruction in route clearance operations, improvised explosive device detection, and the recognition and removal of other hazards. Raydon is about saving lives. It's their vision, mission, and passion. Whether that means training America's children for the dangers of our highways or preparing our nation's warfighters for missions in foreign lands, the objective is the same: bring them home safely. Thanks for joining us at Raydon today. I'm Michelle Coates for the Business Beat.